Alright guys, here we are with another video, and what could be cooler than combining magnetic technology with 3D printing and things that spin. So, let's do that. Let's show you what it's like. So now you're going to have a really cool turntable like this. Isn't that awesome? The only thing that I'd prefer is if I could do it just a little bit slower for the camera, because it would look even cooler. Let's see if we can do that. Can we manage it? Can we manage it? Maybe, maybe not. Actually, that is a tiny bit slower. This is one of the best prints that came out, and came out on the TiVo Michelangelo. Yeah. What a great printer that is. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Likey.